Welcome to yet another short video on how to use Dez's Rust map editor. Um, this lesson will cover topology and alpha. Um, there will be some useful links in the description of this video to help you guys get started. It's quite advanced stuff, but it is simple as on and off, believe it or not. So, for the purpose of this example, we're going to navigate to map.io and we're going to select alpha. And you can look around the map and you're going to go, man, this is pretty green, except for this one little purple dot here. What the hell is that all about? Basically, alpha controls whether or not the texture can be viewed by a player. It's either on or off. Now, underneath that little area there, I think it looks like a cave, and you'll probably find that that's a cave, but we don't have that written in there yet, so that'll come soon. So basically, that allows the player to pass through or see through that area so that when the cave prefab is placed in there, which punches a hole where the mouth goes through the ground, it doesn't remove the texture, the prefab, so you actually have to come back and manually paint this stuff in, and it is tedious and tricky and hard, and it's going to take some time, I'm not going to lie. A lot of the rad towns, like Launch Site in particular, that big pit, it has got a massive, massive, massive hole there, and you've just got to, with this editor, you have to wing it, and unfortunately, that's a little bit hard at the moment. I will be linking a way to do it a lot easier and more efficiently, but once again, that's even more advanced than just turning the alpha on and off, so holy. Click on the land layer on the left-hand side, and same way we did the textures before, we only have two colors. Green is on, purple is off. Paint it on purple, turns it off. Paint it on green, turns it on. Simple. And that's for the texture. Really easy. Now we're going to move on to topology now. Now topology, you're going to go through these big list of layers and you're going to go, what is all this stuff, man? So just after you change to topology, you will now have a subcategory called, well, a subcategory drop-down box with lots of crap in it, lots of it. Now the text file in the description of this will tell you what topologies do what and how they work and what they can't be layered over. For the example of this video here, I'm going to do spawn points because everybody wants to know that. Okay, so pretty simple. Spawn points are controlled by, from what I've discovered, tier 0. Oh look, we already have some tier 0, but we're going to paint some more in somewhere else. Actually no, we'll just do it there. So tier 0. So anywhere in here we can make a spawn point. But we're gonna make one right here. And you want to get beach. Look at it. Look at all this stuff. It's everywhere. We'll make it a little bit. We'll make it right here. Awesome. Then you want to click Oceanside, which is here, and you can paint that there as well. And you want Beachside. I'm pretty sure this is it. Now, you will spawn in other places where those layers interact with each other in the tier 0 zone, but you should also spawn here or wherever you chose to do it. But just make sure those layers overlap. And this is basically the base function of topology, is to tell the game to do what where. The last example I'll use to keep it short is Cliffside, and we don't even need to paint anything. Now, Cliffside controls node spawns, and there's another real obvious one is Forest, and we'll have a look at that too. It's pretty self-explanatory. Where that is, forest will grow. And that's topology 101, man. It's simple. Just a bit of common sense needed. You can't have a field and a forest and a forest and a field, and so on and so forth. The mainland can't be in the ocean, and the ocean can't be in the mainland. Simple, very simple common sense will help you a lot with topology. That keeps this, that is this lesson over. Cool. All right. Thanks, guys.